Hello, my dear children and my dear parents. Welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you, it is about Ukg Maths Worksheet and it is about part 2. About part 1, I have already shared it before. You can find the link in my description box. I have already shared it. So today I'm going to share with you, it is about Ukg Math Worksheet part 2. So children, what is about the worksheet? Let's see. Write numbers from 1 to 100. You have to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, you have to write till number 100. Next one, take the pencil which is thin. You can see we are having here two pencil. Okay, now this is the thick one and this is the thin one. So which pencil you need to take? You have to take which is thin one. So this pencil is the thin one. So give a tick here. Next one, complete the series. So here you have to complete the series. The last number you can see here 21. It starts with 15. So after 15 which number comes? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like this randomly you can give any numbers and kids needs to complete it. So here 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Like this, it is you have to complete the series. Next one, write the numbers by counting backwards. So in EKG, they know how to count backward and they need to write the backward counting. Like 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Like this they have to complete. Here I have given till 70. Next one, write before, between, after numbers. So here what comes before 15? It's number 14. What comes before 82? It's 81. Now here you have to complete between numbers 9. So what comes between 9 and 11? It's 10. What comes between 72 and 73? 73. 72 and 74? It's 73. Now this is you have to complete the after numbers. 94, 95, 79, 80. So this is all about before, between and after numbers. Next one, skip counting by 5 and write the missing numbers. So you have to count it by 5. So before 5 you will have to write 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Like this you have to skip counting by 5 and you have to write the missing number. Next one, vertical addition. So what you have to do? 2 plus 3. So here you have to draw two balls. Down one, which number you have? 3. So how many balls you have to draw? 1, 2, 3. So total how many balls we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Next one, 6 plus 3. So here we have to draw 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3. So how many more balls you have to draw? 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we need to count total how many balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Like this, some more example here I've given. Next one is picture addition. So what? By seeing the picture, kids needs to write the answer. See first part, how many balls we are having? 1, 2, 3. Next we are having 1, 2. So now we need to count total how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Next here, how many apples total we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus how many apple? 1. Now total we have to count how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Next, how many carrots we are having? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2. Now total carrots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Next one is subtraction. So 8 minus 2. So how you can do the subtraction? First we draw 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 minus 2. Minus 2 means how many balls you have to cut or you have to omit? 2 balls. 1, 2. Now you count how many balls are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Likewise, this one 4 minus 1. So total how many balls you have to draw? 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many balls you have to cut or you have to omit? 1 ball. Minus 1. 1. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. 9 minus 5. So first we have to do we have to draw 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 minus 5. So how many balls we have to cut? 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Okay, next one is picture subtraction. So here I have drawn some picture and you have to subtract it. Like total how many mangoes we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes. Minus 2 means how many mangoes we have to omit? We have to cut 2 mangoes. 1, 2. Now how many remain? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. So here 3 minus 2. Total we are having 3 trees. So we have to cut 2 trees. 1, 2. So 1 tree is remaining. So answer is 1. Next one is write greater or smaller in the square. So you have to compare and you have to find it out which is the greater number. 7, 9. So 9 is the greater one. So you have to give the sign like this. 9. 42, 33. So which one is the greater one? It's 42. So give the sign like this. 9, 19. So which is the greater one? 19. 5, 2. So which is the greater one? 5 is the greater one. Like this you have to give greater than smaller than number. Circle the smaller number. So you have to find it out which is the smaller number and you have to circle it. 12 and 5. Out of these which is the smaller number? 5 is the smaller number. So you have to circle number 5. Next one 4, 6. Which is the smaller number? 4 or 6? It's number 4. 25, 35. So which is the smaller number? It's number 25. Like this, you have to circle the smaller number. Next one is write the numbers in ascending orders. Ascending order means from smaller to greater. So here we have to find it out which is a smaller number, afterwards from smaller to greater. So first one is 15 is the smaller number. After 15 it's number 20. After 20 which number? It's number 35. Then 42, 62, 85. Like this, you have to find it out. The first one you have to find it a smaller number, then you have to increase it towards a greater number, ascending order. Next one is write the numbers in descending orders. Descending order means from greater to smaller. Here we have to find it out which one is the greater number. So 95 is the greater number. 95. After 95, it's number 85. After 85, it's number 71. After 71, it's number 65. Then after 65, it's number 32. Then it's number 22. So this is about write the numbers in descending order. So this is all about UKG Maths Worksheet Part 2. I hope children you understood now how to do the worksheet. If you find this video helpful, then please share it with your friends and relatives, like and subscribe to my channel Somna Kids World for more videos. Thank you for watching.